Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in. It is a terrific Thursday, and the market is down again. Oh, behave. Down 18 points, down 0.34. But look at this. Look at this. We have an anomaly, and the anomaly is that VIX is down on the day. Remember, it was 14 handles yesterday. Today, we're in the 13 handle. How about that? So, kind of a nothing burger. We're still in the open and 15-minute range, and we're back at the cash open of whatever the cash open was right there. So kind of a nothing burger day. Let's look at the big green monster. Remember when I told you? I told you that we were going down to the 52.69. Did I lie? Did I lie? No, big green monster tells us everything that we need to know. Now that we're fairly priced, the problem here is we could go up or we could go down. So it looks like it's wanting to cling to the 50% line. We shall see. But if we lose ground, then we're going to the 51.99. So call it 5,200 if we lose ground here. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression shows that we are still in a channel and we're looking for a breakout beyond that channel. Today could be the day, which would telegraph a move to the downside. Consolidation before an outsides move. Consolidation moves, consolidation moves, consolidation moves. That's the way it happens over and over and over again. Let's see how our account is doing today. So today is the 30th. I got to pay my Delaware tax today. I guess could do it tomorrow, I guess. So let's see how our little account is doing here today. Let me pull it up on my phone. And we are at, let's see here. Hold on. Accounts there, accounts. Then we are at, okay, 72. Oh, okay. This is going to be interesting. So we're at 270, 952, 956, 279, 60, 279, 60, 60, 279, 60, 660. 279, 60, 60. Whoa, we're down $74,994. But keep in mind that we just took out 75,000. 75,000. There we go. So we are up $5.60. All right, the back we go. All right, we'll take that on a big down day when we had two down days. We'll definitely take that. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. So I moved 75,000 out of that into another account. All right, let's see here how we're doing. So we are, let's see, this is it. So we're at 529, 234, 529, 234, 529, 234. And VIX is at 13. So we're a little hot, y'all. See that? A little hot. Everybody's a little hot by 123. Our theta is okay, I guess. It's fine. But let's see now what our buying power is. So we'll go to positions and we won't count 183,922, 183,922, 183,922. All right, we're at 67%, y'all. So what this means is we're going to have to take some stuff off, okay? We're overdoing it a little bit. So let's see if we've got anything that says we need to take it off. So let's go to our trades over here. And let me get rid of these. So we can just see our open trades. And the way you do that is go here and go just choose your blanks that don't have an exit on it. Let's see if there's anything that says we need to close it. No, there's not. So what you do in this instance is you go, okay, we have a naked put 42.50. And that's naked put 16 that we need to take off. So let's go look at naked put 16. Naked put 16. Not there. Naked put 16. Here it is. See, those are at 92%. Just take them off. Close position. Close 4 of them. And we're going to try to do it at $1. Well, probably make me do it $1.15. Good. $1.15. We're out of those. So let's close those. Nikki put 16, $1.15. This is portfolio management, y'all. This is all it is. And it's a beautiful thing. So today is 5/30/24. So we made a lot of money on that. Let's see, we made $2,855 on that one. So now let's go to naked put 17. Let's take it off. Naked put 17. Let's go to positions. Naked put 17 is right here. And those are at 88%. Close those. I'm going to close those at 350. We're out at 350. Naked put 17 at 350. And today's date, control your colon. There we go. So we made a profit of 2,600 on those. I could take off naked put 18. Let's see, naked put 18. Then I'll probably stop. Naked put 18. So let's go to positions. Naked put 18. Here it is. We're at 87%. Close those. Close the full at 390. And we close those at 390. Then we'll go look at our stuff. So we close naked put 18 at 390. See how much profit we made on that. So we made $2,752 there. Now let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratios now we were 529. Now we are at 463, 117. 463. Wow, did I move that all the way to 117? I don't mean to go that far down. Let's see, 463, 117. Dang, Bob. You shouldn't have gone down that much, should you? All right, so then let's go. Buying power was 183. Now remember, we have to go to this thing here and go to cap requirement and try to goose it like that. So now buying power requirement is 147, 412. 147, 412. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, so I'm at 54% now. So the question is, am I satisfied with that? Yes, I am. All right, that's it, y'all. I mean, there's nothing else to do. This is portfolio management. This is how you don't get in trouble. We took $75,000 out of the account, wrote it to another account. That made our numbers of buying power go up to 60-something percent. And what did we do? We just reduced it back down to 50%. Now I could keep going and reduce things, but I don't want to reduce my theta anymore. 117, that's probably good enough theta, and we'll start building it back up when we meet again on this account next Tuesday. All right. Good day, y'all. That's how you do it. And I will see y'all tomorrow.